Hi everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel Mind Fitness. In this video I will show you how to get notifications about the time when the recipient has read your emails. But before that, if you take advantage of this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, to make a like for this video, to share it with your friends, and especially make sure you activate the bell icon here so as to get notification of any new video. And here is a short note for all YouTubers. If you want to read it, you just stop this video and read it. Thank you very much. So let's go on. First of all, go to your browser and write from web store like that. Open it. I'm sorry, the network is a little bit slow. Please be patient. The content is so important. You click on Chrome Web Store here. Because we often send emails, but we don't know if the recipient has read them or not. It is a good extension that allows us to know when the recipient has read them. Here we are. So we write email tracking. Email tracking. We click search. Hurry up, please, hurry up. You get some marks when you upload this extension to your Chrome, and when you send an email you get some marks showing the time the recipient has read the emails. So here we are. Now when your emails are opened, email tracking for Gmail, we click add to Chrome here. Here we should wait for verification. It takes some time. It's good for your browser and for your PC. And here we click add extension. So here it is download. So I will open my email box to show you if any change has been added. As you see here, there is no mark, no sign that shows that your sent emails has been read. It's on checking process. We should wait a little bit. As you see, it is added to our Chrome extensions here. So now we should click on connect with Google. So as to connect our email box with this extension to know when the recipient has read our emails, it helps you make sure that your emails has been read, because most of the time we send emails, we just wait for an answer. We don't know if the recipient has read them or not. You get some check marks in your email box showing you the time when your email has been delivered and the time when it has been read. As you see here, there is no mark, no sign that shows that your emails has been read by the recipients. Let's check again the connection with our email box. Not yet. So we click on this email to connect it with this extension. Then we get this image. So we choose the free option. We click sign up for free. Then we click on this icon here. Here there is a setting if you want to modify something. So we click go to Gmail. here. As you see here, email tracking extension has been added to my Gmail. Now I will make a test. I will compose an email and I will send it to another Gmail of mine. Hurry up, here. My Gmail address. So let's name it test email. Let's write it again as a message, test email. But please make sure to go down and remove this red icon. Here, click remove each time you want to send an email. Now I click send. As you see, now my email has been sent, but I don't know if the recipient has read it or not. So make sure I should go to my sent mail box to see if there is any change. This is my sent mail box. As you see, this is the email I have sent, test email. But as you see here, I have a green check mark showing that my email has been delivered, but not yet read. Now I will check my second Gmail box to see if I have received an email. This is the email I have sent. Now I will read my email. Now I have opened it. Test email. This is the email I sent. Now I will return back to my source Gmail accounts from where I sent this email. As you see here, this is the change I am going to show you. I have here two green check marks showing that my email has been read by the recipient, who is me. That's how to know that your email has been read. Now I will open it. As you see, this is the email I have sent, test email. This is the best way to know how to get notification about when the recipient has read your emails, because most of the time we send emails but we don't know that the recipient has read them or not. As you see here, this is Gmail signature. Next time I will show you how to make it. So thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video and if you get benefits of it, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure to like it, share it with your friends, write a comment below, and especially make sure to activate the bell icon here so as to get notification of any new video. Thank you very much for watching and good luck.